And welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 36. Digestion in ruminants is mainly A. Enzymatic, B. Microbial, C. Mastication and enzymatic, D. Microbial and enzymatic. Now, ruminant animals or ruminants are animals that have 4 stomach compartments or 4 stomach chambers. And those 4 stomach chambers are namely, first the rumen, secondly the reticulum, thirdly you have the omasome, and the 4th chamber is known as the abomasome. Okay, and this is usually referred to as the true stomach. So these are the 4 stomach compartments, and each of them are known for various functions. Now, the rumen is basically the site where the food is exposed to microbes. Okay, so it undergoes fermentation by microbial. Rumen is where the food undergoes fermentation by microbial action, by the action of the microbes present in the stomach of non-ruminant animals. So this is the reason why it is known as the true stomach. So from what we have established, digestion in ruminants majorly is microbial action which takes place in the rumen and enzymatic action which takes place in the abomasome. So it is mainly microbial and enzymatic, and microbial and enzymatic is option D. So option D is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.